Hi, my name is Adanna Dill and I am a blogger at rattlesandheels.com. This is my 2-year-old daughter and today we're going to show you how we achieve this hairstyle. I start by detangling with Kiki Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner. When detangling, I always start at the ends of her hair and work my way to the roots. Apply Eden Body Works Curl Defining Cream as needed. Part here to create one section in the back and use rubber bands to secure it. Part another section in the front and divide into 2 smaller sections. Then divide it into 2 other sections, making it 4 sections. Use the edge control brush and a tiny bit of edge control gel to secure the 2 small sections along the hairline. Then connect them to the 2 small sections directly behind them with rubber bands. Connect the sections with the remaining hair into one big section. Again, you can use the edge control brush to style the edges as you desire. And that's it. Bye-bye. Follow me on rattlesandheels.com.